Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Solving channel. Today we're gonna solve Find the Stars puzzle for the Sunday. Actually, in the Sunday set, they're releasing one of the toughest challenges of their challenges mostly. So let's start and try to solve this puzzle. Okay, the rule is simple. In each column and row we should have 2 stars. So some tricks we should always keep in mind, like find some cells that covers most of the other region cell, like this cell. If you put a star in here, we will cover it like this much. So in this region, we're gonna have only one star. So it is wrong. This is not a star in here. So like this, like these tricks we will do and continue. Okay, again in here, in this region, this cell is the same thing. It's covered these 2, 4. We will left with only one. In this region, this is the same thing. It covers 4 of these region cells. We will left with one. This cell in the region will cover all other cells, and we will not have any empty cell to put an star onto it. Again, in this region, we can see it will surround for the entire, not the entire 6 cells of the other region, and we will left with 2 cells. And let's see. Okay, here also it will cover 4. We will left only with 3. If we put we can only put like this, which is wrong. The 2 stars should not touch each other diagonally or orthogonally. Okay. What can we? Okay, what about this cell? This cell covers 4. We left with only 3. It's fine. But this cell is a problematic. If we put an star in here, there will be 3. It will take 3 cells. We left only one. So this is not a star. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is possibility. It can be star. Okay. I think that's all you can do with this at the moment. Okay, let's see if there is some of the rows or some of we will count a number of columns, not number of columns. Okay, we will count the columns like 1, 2, 3, 4. How many regions do we have in this 4 column? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 region, 2 region, 3 region, 4 region, 5 region. We have 5 region. Okay. Before that one, I found out one interesting point as well. This region covered the entire row, so the rest is we cannot put a star in here. So it means in here we have only one star. When we have in these 4 cells, we will have 2 stars in here definitely. And for the rest, let's check it out. I'm suspicious about this cell because if I put a star in here, it will force this column, this region, to have 1 star in here, 1 star in these 4 cells. Then we will not have in here, then 1 in here, 1 stars go there, 1 stars go there, then okay, 1 star in here, then maybe 1 star in here. Entire column will have 1 star will go there to cover 2, most probably. Okay, let's check it out. What it will cost to break? Okay, one in here. This is not in this. Oh, okay, there's not in here. This one, two. This we will have two in here. This one will be first. Okay. What extra do we have in here? Okay, one star. Maybe in here. Okay, in that case, this will not any star. Not any star. Okay, two. Okay, yeah. It goes like this one. And then this will not be in a star in here. Okay, what else? One, two, three. Put one star in here. We will have two stars in here. Cause this two. Then this will be a star. This two. Okay. What else? I think it can be starred here at the moment. I didn't find anything. Any weakness up there which that still cannot be in a star. What about this cell? If it is, then this will be like this. Okay, we will have one star in here, one star in here. Not possible, not possible, not possible. Okay, now it broke because we cannot put four stars in here. So that's not an star at there. Okay, nice. Okay. Yeah, question is, can we have a star in here? Because this will force this one, and this will be a star, this will be a star, this will be a star. Now to have again. Okay, this is on a star. Yeah, it broke. So this cannot be a star. Okay. Now the question is, can we have two stars in here or not? Star. This cannot be a star. This cannot be a star. This will not be a star in here. Yeah, the question is for this row now. This will be in a star. This cannot be in a star now. This will be in a star. This two not be in a star. This cannot be. Yeah, if we put the star here, should have a star in here now. That also cannot be in a star. We cannot have two stars at there. So one star is at there, one star is at there. It means there is no stars in here. Also, right now we can state this cannot be a star, because if you put the star, two cells will be taken from this region. There will be four constant, four 2 by 2 cells remain, and so we cannot put two stars in 2 by 2. So what we have found out, this is a star, this two, this is a star, these are stars. Move a little bit faster. Now these two, this cannot be a star, this cannot be a star. Okay, one star there, one from this region. They cannot have, it can only have one star here, not a star, not a star two. One star there, one there. This cannot be a star. This is not a star. Okay, what else you can do? Okay, one can be in here, one can be in here. In here we have one. Okay, it means there is no star in here. It's not one star, one star, one star in here. Okay, one star, one in here. Okay, this is clear. This is one star. This is one star in here. Good. Okay, these stars have been done in here. These two. This needs one star in here, one star in here. Okay, two star in there now, a star in here, one star. Another star, this is a star, this cannot be a star. Another star, this is a star. Yeah, thank you so much.